Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a brief narration followed by a DIY, then a demonstration in this video to talk about peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is a packed powerhouse with nutrients and minerals. It has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which helps to cool the scalp, eliminate dandruff, relieve dry scalp, stimulates hair growth, and gives the hair a healthy shine. Peppermint, when mixed with essential oils, can be used in stimulating scalp massage to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn stimulates hair growth. If you would like to see how to mix your essential oils with the key ingredient peppermint essential oil, I came across this recipe during my research and I decided to incorporate it in my hair routine, and I would like to share it with you guys. If you are interested, do not press that button. Stick around to see how you can achieve this essential oil scalp treatment. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in growing long healthy hair, you might want to stick around for this. I have already poured 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to be pouring one more. So it will be a total of 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and 30 drops of peppermint essential oil. Now that I have all 3 ingredients in my bowl, I'm going to be using a chopstick just to stir in the ingredient. Yes, I'm using a chopstick. And now I will be pouring it into this container where I will store it for usage during the course of the night when I will be applying this oil to my scalp before bed. Okay. This is a combination of the oils that I will be using to massage in my scalp to promote healthy hair growth before bed. So now for the demonstration. So now I'm going to be demonstrating how I apply the oil to my scalp before bed. I have my hair pinned up with a scrunchie, 2 large sections. Other half, I am going to once again split this into 2. And in the back, I will pin that out of the way. Now the ingredient that I prepared earlier, I was inspired by a fellow YouTuber, Soleil. I've seen her done this and I decided to incorporate it in my routine. So I will dip my fingers into the essential oils and simply pass my fingers, and massage my scalp. Using the base of my fingers, not the tips. You just simply move your fingers back and forth. To get the products into your scalp. So here I have completed my entire head. I treated my scalp with the essential oils. The key ingredient is the peppermint essential oils. It is been known to not only treat your scalp but also promotes hair growth and blood circulation. I have done this in my entire hair and I have pinned them up out of the way. And when it's time for bed, I will simply tie my hair with a do-rag. And I'll be good to go for the rest of the night. I hope once again you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to those of you who have subscribed. Don't forget to share with your friends, hit the notification button to get notifications when I upload a new video, and thank you for your continued support, and see you in the next video.